And hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Sorry I've been gone for a while, but Uncle Al's busy trying to get the new computer up and running. And lately I'm having problems with my internet. So anyway, I had one of my genius grandnephews help me out over the weekend. It took me all weekend and Monday to get things done. I'm not there yet because my nephew says this model that I'm using right here to record this is like a 1922 Packard. My new model is like a Ferrari 2019. So I got to make this quick. All right? Be sure to get canned vegetables and fruits in your supplies up to 3 months. Why? Because people are idiots. They don't know how to do a 1 year supply system. Okay? Yeah, I'm Uni. I'm with Uncle Al. Tell them all the stupid stuff Uncle Al they're doing right now. Okay, Uni. 1 second. Let me put you over here so you don't interrupt. Alrighty, folks. Easiest pie with these. A lot of people don't understand it. You get a little paper label, you put it across, you write the date where it goes bad, date where you're going to donate, and you write down what you're going to use it for. Easy. Okay? Unlike other areas where we have young people protesting and stuff and doing silly things, we're training our kids to grow food, store water, take care of the environment, and teach every other thing that most areas and Democrats forgot to do. This is why I have no respect for politicians either side, like Stilwell or that new guy coming, Tom Sawyer or Tom Sayer. Please, folks, let's be serious. Okay? Now, teaching them from computers to safety tips. All right, we're in a fire area, so we teach them fire safety, how to use a fire extinguisher, how to call 911, what to do, earthquake safety. Now, do other areas do this? No. Do other politicians try to help to do this? No. You go see any Republican or Democrat doing this? No. It's common folks like me, the other guy, my church folks. We're doing it. Not these special interest groups, not these corporations. When's the last time you've seen Google, Amazon, YouTube doing anything for the general crowds? No, they're after their butts. Google has slaves out in the parking lot. YouTube's chasing anybody who disagrees with them. And then you got Twitter doing wacky things. Okay, now here's something smart. All right, everybody have one of these. Now, inside, Uncle Alan has, you see this? Got that at the craft shop. Containers free. You know what I call this? Do it yourself spice kit. Now I already have salt and pepper. What kind of spices would Uncle Alan carry in the woods? Now this fits in my pocket. I have a couple of bay leaves and maybe a piece of dried ginger or garlic in there. Easy to use. Seals nice. Waterproof it. All I have to do is put a little duct tape or electrical tape around it. Waterproof, not watertight, waterproof. Okay, really simple. Again, canned fruits and vegetables, 3 months. That's easy. So you figure out how many cans you eat a week. All right, not that much, folks. A lot of people are piling like 2 cases, half a dozen boxes. No, figure out how much you eat and your family eats. About 4 people, yourself and 3 others. I can't get any more stupider than this. Biggest thing I heard, and I find out from Hubble's cat, please check out Hubble's channel. Hubble's cat, he's on vacation, and Andrew Hondo. Please check out both their channels. Hubbles did pretty good on nuclear and also first aid. He did a wonderful universal bandage one. Please check it out. Okay, now Hubble's brought up the subject that people were putting crap into wounds. Unless it's a certain type of material like Quick Cot or the other guy, don't do it. You're not smart as Uncle Alan. You don't know what the hell you're doing. Okay? Now in Vietnam, Hubble's is right. I had to double check my notes because Uncle Alan has brain damage. People were starting to use, because they misunderstood, special forces used tampons. Kotex pads, you dimwits, instead of tube or insertion tampons. There's a big difference between the two. Big difference in fire starting. Okay, special forces, you put this out. You could, if you have a greasy skin, you could rub grease from your skin onto the pad. Then strike sparks. Okay, or put a little lighter fluid. Let me reach over and get some lighter fluid. Lighter fluid on it, and then make sparks. Yeah, Uncle Alan, didn't Norseman tell about something about a Girl Scout almost bled to death because she was trying to light a tube tampon? What kind of idiots are they? Mostly Democrats. Hey, don't get on the Democrats' problem. They're dumb enough already. Whoops, sorry about that, fellow Democrats. Lord, I'm getting old. I'm getting tired. Again, fruits and vegetables. Now, the spice kit's easy to make. Total cost and getting spices out of my cupboard, $2.95 for the bottles. How easy is that? Spices free because I already bought them. Okay, and remember, don't put anything into a wound. Close it up. If you're using super glue, it's only to search the skin, nothing else. And you don't want complete seal, you want partial seal. Now, I've seen people, and Hubble Cat knows what I'm talking about, people dumping super glue all over the place. You better have training and you better know what you're doing. Don't do something stupid, like super gluing a Kotex pad on it. I've seen a lot of stupid people screw up this. It's an easy fix. Don't put anything into the wound, and these are supposed to soak up the blood for immediate coverage. Now, there's a long story, but I won't tell you about this, about a nice Israeli guy I talked to. He was going back to Israel. He came over here for studies. That was in the 70s. And we're talking, I explained to him what was going on, why I was using this, because everybody else was using gauze and those old tins of bandages. So I explained what was going on. I told him this is a better way. He took it, and 2 years later, we have those Israeli bandages. Excuse me. Now, everybody in the world are using trauma bandages. I gotta stop telling people about the things I see in the future and the ideas I get. If you want, go check out my past videos. A lot of you people are kind of stupid, but you might make some money, but Okay. Remember, check out these guys really quick. I gotta watch my time. Will Patrick and Modern Refugee and AKFAB, sending stuff, working on it, kid. Palmetto Prepared. Let's talk about prepping. Cheryl Hirsch, Little Lady Prepper, Prepping in Progress. Really like those guys. And Reed's channel, Manifestation of Imagination. Great channels. Okay, kids, I gotta catch you later. I'm trying to keep under 10 minutes. So bye. And this is Uni saying bye too.